Dental prosthetics, creating natural-looking replacement teeth. Prosthetics for dental use play an essential function in restoring the beauty and function of a smile. In the event that you've lost a tooth as a result of tooth decay, trauma, or another dental problem, prosthetic teeth could help in filling the void and improving your dental health. In this clip, we'll explore how you can create beautiful, natural-looking replacement teeth with prosthetic teeth for dental use. Understanding the importance of dental prosthetics. Dental prosthetics are dental implants or artificial teeth that restore damaged or missing teeth. They not only improve the look of your smile as well as help to maintain the correct alignment of your other teeth to prevent the recurrence of dental problems. In addition, dental prosthetics will enhance your ability to talk and eat well, in addition to boosting your self-confidence and confidence. The process of creating natural-looking replacement teeth. The process of creating natural-looking replacement teeth with dental prosthetics is a process that involves a variety of actions. Your dentist will first evaluate your oral health to identify the best method of treatment. The procedure could involve the taking of X-rays and impressions of your mouth, which will be used to design your own treatment plans. After that, the dentist must create the location that the prosthetic tooth will be installed. This could include removing any tooth structure that remains or prepping the gum tissue that will be used for the prosthetic. After the region is cleaned, dental professionals will collect an impression of the mouth and build a replica of the teeth. With this design, the dental lab will create a customized prosthetic tooth that is the same form, color, and dimension of your original teeth. The prosthetic will be constructed using materials like composite resin or porcelain, similar to the appearance of your natural teeth. When the prosthetic tooth is constructed, your dentist will secure it to the existing tooth as well as dental implants. The dentist will be sure the prosthetic will fit properly and feel secure inside your mouth. When properly maintained and cared for, the prosthetics for your teeth can endure for years and offer you natural-looking smile. Benefits of natural-looking replacement teeth. There are numerous benefits to opting for natural-looking replacement teeth with dental prosthetics. In the first place, prosthetic teeth will boost your oral health by returning the functionality of your teeth and also keeping them from developing further issues with your teeth. Through filling in spaces created by teeth missing, prosthetics are also able to maintain the proper alignment of your adjacent teeth and keep their shifting from taking the correct position. Apart from the practical benefits, natural-looking teeth replacement are a great way to improve the look that your smile. Dental prosthetics are designed to mimic your natural teeth, seamlessly blending into the surrounding smile. They can increase your self-confidence and confidence, making it possible to smile and communicate comfortably. In addition, prosthetics are long-lasting and durable, giving you an efficient solution for tooth loss or damage. When properly cared for and regularly dentist visits, dental prosthetics are able to last for years. They will allow you to maintain a healthy, gorgeous smile for the rest of your life. Conclusion. Prosthetic teeth can be a great solution for replacing damaged or missing teeth. With the help of natural-looking dental prosthetics, they can help improve the health of your mouth as well as improve the look of your smile, as well as improve your confidence. If you're thinking about prosthetics for your teeth, consult your dentist about options offered to you. Begin your journey to a healthier-looking, beautiful smile today.